I love my Alexa, love my Alexa, love my Alexa. Yes, I do. Hi, little girl. You want to give Daddy a smile? Show Daddy your smile. Hey!
I got the hiccups.
Hey, look how pretty you are. Say Happy Halloween.
Ooh, I didn't follow you on
Happy
that
Halloween.
one.
Say yes. Say I love Halloween, Daddy. I do. I'm gonna get candy.
No, I'm gonna give out the candy,
Say,
silly.
no candy for me.
No candy for me. Smile, Lex.
Hey, little girl. Bum ba da dum ba da dum bum 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 ba da dum ba da dum bum 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 ba da dum bum 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 bum. Boo! Boo! Say boo! Too cute. Too spook. Yes, you are too cute to spook.
Come on, Alexa.
Say, I'm a pretty girl. Hey!
'Cause she's so big.
Say, I love you, Grandma and Grandpa and Grandma and Aunt Roberta and Uncle Sheldon. Say, and
Uncle JD,
Uncle
Aunt
JD,
Tracy,
Aunt Tracy.
Paige and Will.
Hi, Will and Paige.
We miss you guys. I can't wait to meet everybody.
Hi.
Poor thing. She can't get rid of her hiccups.
Can't get them.
I got it. There's a smile from Alexa. Alexa, there she is.
Say hi. Hi, guys.
Alexa.
I'm almost 9 pounds.
Alexa, Alexa. No.
All right, guys.
She hates the hiccups. Ooh, yeah.